I have to constantly nourish myself with really inspirational content in all different types of art, whether it's the movies or music or new collections of design. And for me as a designer, it's really important to touch materials, to touch the products. So right now I'm developing a collection of materials for Adobe Substance 3D.
Primary needs of our community are to use material that is technically perfect, but also artistry makes sense to what they need and what they are going to need for their project. My mission is to specify 3D content, such as parametric materials, model, and tools to enrich the Substance 3D asset library and staying ahead of trends. Substance 3D Asset is a growing library of 3D content and is a part of the Substance 3D ecosystem.
The idea was to come up with a sort of toolbox that would be made for product designers to work specifically on product design, tech design, household appliances, and to have all these materials available so that they could really express themselves to the maximum of their creativity.
Peclers provides us a list of 8 categories of materials, and we decided to expand it. In this collection, we have more than 40 materials, and we added some models just to give the ability to the users to apply this material on a real model and see how we can apply them in real life on real objects. It's really important when we are creating a material to have a photorealistic result, to have the digital twin between what you see in real life and what you have on the screen. And what is interesting is the fact that everything is parametric, so you can readapt the color, you can readapt the placement of the material, you can readapt the look and feel at the end, and make sure that you will create your own design. We are using a captive machine and put a sample of the material inside the machine and scan it. But so most of the time, we are creating a parametric materials.
So it's essential for an artist to have a very strong and powerful set of softwares that are able to communicate with each other and are able to basically talk to each other. It's something that didn't always exist in the industry, and it's very fun to be able to do this. It makes you work faster, it makes you work better. The goal is to digitalize every kind of surfaces that you can see in real life. To create 3D materials, you can start with Substance 3D Designer to really create the material from scratch. And then you can jump into Substance 3D Painter, where you will apply that material to any 3D object that you want to use it.
The output is just unbelievable. The precision, the details, everything about the materials that we provide come out in this 3D material. So this is just magic. Peclers Paris is a creative strategy and prospective trends agency. And for more than 50 years, we have been supporting brands to anticipate the future trends.
I hope that this collection resonates with creative, even if it's the new generation of designer. If it's the professional today who want to start, who want to improve their work in the 3D world.
It is contemporary, it's modern, and it's materials that I would want to see on such products. So I'm excited to see what people make of it.